So here's the new project. 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. One squatter. That's Miss Kitty. She was here when I bought it. And she's got a couple of kittens under there. A lot of work to be done. Here's the yard. They took out the window. I'm going to put one back in. Get rid of that wire. There we go. This is actually the 3rd video of the inside. The first 2, for some reason, did not take. So, living room. Going into the kitchen, which has the replacement toilet and sink. Cabinets need to be replaced. Floor needs to be replaced. All the electrical outlets. There's new insulation for the bedroom where I'm starting. And boards I've already taken out. Exposed insulation. You can actually see where there wasn't much of a wall on the outside. It's where the window was. That frame's going to have to be rebuilt. Electrical will be switched out. New floor. The corner over there needs to have some work done. It seems to be sloping. It's going to have to be propped up. The bathroom is going to have to be completely redone. It's going to be switched around. We'll increase the size of the bedroom, and by rearranging the bathroom, And we're literally going to move the furnace. It'll end up making it look like a hotel suite. It'll have a stand-up shower stall instead of the tub. New window in the bathroom. New walls, no paneling. The wall actually was the paneling. One layer thick. The furnace area, that will get redone. New windows. Lots of work to be done.